Okay, we picked up the Farm LA yesterday. Just gave it a bit of hose down and we're going to give it a try to start it again.